Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a subscription in PayPal. First thing I want you to do is actually log in to your PayPal account, and then what I need you to do is come here to the top right and click on this gear cog. This will take you to your settings. From here, I want you to come and click on payments on the top navigation menu. So click on this and this will show you these options. What we're interested in is automatic payments. So I want you to come here and click on automatic payments. You'll be able to view and update your subscriptions, your automatic payments that you're making. Here, you'll see your active payments. So you'll see what you can actually cancel. Let's say Microsoft Corporation, for example. You come here, you'll see all the details of the previous purchases you've made. And then you just come here, click on cancel. Okay. And then you scroll down and then you click here on cancel automatic payments. So we'll be canceling all our future automatic payments to Microsoft Corporation. Let me show you an example. If I click here on show inactive, this is what it should look like once you have canceled it. It should show here and this data should show inactive. And really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.